Welcome to 6th grade maths. I'm going to talk about basic geometry today, and this is an introductions video. I will discuss topic and concepts here. Let's quickly get started. When we talk about shapes, you can see here different shapes, lines, ray, points, and different measurements all comes under geometry in maths. I'm sure that everyone is knowing point. A point determines a location. It does not have any size. It has no length, no breadth or height. For example, if I will make a single dot and name this as A, capital A. So this is a point A. A simple dot is called a point. For examples, we can take point of a pencil, or a point of a cone, or a rectangle, square. This is also called a point. In this figure also you can see this is a point. A point can be given a name. Capital letter of the alphabets are used to name the points. You can see here. Here I have shown this point with a marking as a capital A. You can write point B, point X, anything, but this alphabet should be in capital. Now the next is line. The word line refers to the straight line. It has no width, it has just a length. Just a length it has. So a line can be extended in both the directions. It can be extended from this side also. It can be extended from this side also. Now what you do, you just take 2 points and name this point P and this point Q. On a sheet of paper, using the ruler, just draw the straight line. And join them. So we will get a straight line PQ. Now next is line segment. Line segment has 2 endpoints showing its limit, means fixed point. Now first take 2 points and name this 2 point, one as point A and this point B. Now draw this line, join this point by using ruler. So this line segment, that is called as line segment AB. We write like this, A, B, and draw the line segment. So we can measure the line segment by using the ruler. You can take any length and you can measure by using ruler. Suppose this is 6 centimeter. You can use the ruler and measure it. Now next is a ray. A ray is a part of a line that has one end point and it goes infinitely in one direction only. So you cannot measure the length of a ray. So let me show you with the help of the figure. So this will go infinitely. This is called as an origin. This is origin and this is fixed. This point is fixed. You cannot extend the line from here because this is fixed. And it will extend from this side. It can be extended infinitely from this side. The basic examples I would like to give you: the sun. All the rays come out from the sun. So this is the best example. So the sun is your origin. This is your origin, and the rays come out from the origin, and this sun rays, these are the sun rays. So this will be extended infinitely, and ray has one endpoint that is coming from the sun. The sun is a fixed point. So this is the best example for the ray. The next topic is intersecting lines. What are intersecting lines? The intersecting lines are those lines which intersect at one point. Now you can see here two lines I have drawn. This is line 1 and this is line 2. Now you can see here in the figure these two lines are intersecting at one point. So this is point, I will give this point P, name as point P. So they both are meeting at one point, at point P. This is point P is called as the point of intersection. It is not necessary, now you can see here the figure which I have drawn, is not necessary that this shape only is a intersecting lines. You can draw in this way also. This is also intersecting lines. Now you can see here these two lines are intersecting at this point. You can give this name as point Q, and this is called as a point of intersection. So next figure. This is also called intersecting point. And here also you can see here this point. These two lines are intersecting at this point X. So those are also intersecting lines, which is when you see when two lines are intersecting at one point. Now let's come to next lines, that is parallel lines. Parallel lines are those lines which never meet. You can see in the figure they are not intersecting from anywhere. So it is opposite of intersecting lines. If I'm drawing two lines like this, now you can see here I have drawn these two lines and they are parallel to each other. If you will extend this further, if you try to extend this further, these two lines, still they will not intersect from both the sides. You can extend from here also, they will never meet. Okay. Remember 2 points. The first point is that they will never meet if they are extended from both the directions also and with the equal distance. So they are called parallel lines. For example, railway track is also the best example of parallel lines. Collinear points. What is collinear points? Now you can see in the figure, I have drawn a straight line and I'm giving this name line L, drawing 3 points and giving the name these 3 points as this is point M, this is point N, and this is point O. So these 3 points are lying on the same line L. So first I will define 3 or more points are collinear if all of them lie on the same line. Now you can see these 3 points are lying on the same line. So this is called collinear points. Now next is non-collinear points. The points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. Now you can see here on the left side I have drawn a straight line where 3 points are on the same line, lying on line L. So this is called collinear points. Now you can see here I have drawn point X, point Y and point Z. You can see here it is not lying on the same line. So this will not called as collinear points, it is non-collinear points.
Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe button icon, like and share, and have a great day.